Hey guys, it's Taya and welcome to or back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing my updated silk press. I'm really excited because I have some new products that I want to talk to you guys about. And if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so I started off by washing my hair this time and then I went in with my deep condition. So these are the products I used for the deep condition and I left it in for 45 minutes. So I went in and washed my hair 3 times using this shampoo. This is the OGX Detox, and I'm not gonna lie, this made my hair feel scarily dry, so I don't really recommend it. Then I went in with the Way medium hair conditioner and I actually really liked it. It has keratin in it, so it helped smooth out my hair, detangle it, and it had my hair feeling way better after that stripping shampoo. The only thing or downside to this is that it's expensive, so I'm gonna have every alternative that I can find, cheap alternatives, in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Today I'm using the Miracle Leave-In by It's a 10 for heat protectant, and this John Frieda Frizz Ease extra strength serum. This is my first time using it and I actually ended up using it wrong, but I'll talk about that later. Today, instead of using a regular flat iron, I'm using this Tymo straightening comb. I've never used a straightening comb before, but this one goes up to 410 degrees. It has 5 different heat settings. It heats up all the way in 60 seconds, and it's supposed to minimize heat damage and reduce breakage up to 50%. So we have a glove in the box, also a bag for the flat iron, and then this little brush that I don't really recommend, and then 2 clips to clip your hair while you're straightening it. And this is the Tymo. I think it looks super high tech. So I have my hair sectioned into 4 and I detangle every section before blow drying. Also, I sprayed every section with the TGIN heat protectant. And guys, look, I got a nozzle on my blow dryer. I know everybody was like, you need to put a nozzle on your blow dryer. Like, you're gonna burn your hair. So I didn't even know that was a thing, but I found this random nozzle that's supposed to go on a smaller flat iron, so if you can tell there's tape on it, because I just had to figure it out because I didn't want y'all, thinking I'm not reading the comments and listening to y'all's advice. I do listen and read and take everything in. But yeah, basically just detangling and blow drying. It's really simple. I do it in 4 sections. And now that it's blow dried, I'm going in with the frizzies. So I messed up. I was supposed to use this when my hair was soaking wet, but I ended up reading the bottle too late. So I can't really speak on if it works like it should because I didn't use it right. So I'm just going back in and blow drying my hair to see. I thought like maybe it'll distribute the product into my hair or something like that. I don't know. So to turn on the timer, all you do is press the power button, and then to control the heat settings, you either press the up or down button. It's pretty simple, honestly. So now I'm just giving myself a sharp middle part like I like, and I'm gonna be straightening my hair in 4 sections as well. So when you silk press your hair, you need to do small sections. With the Tymo though, I found that I could do a little bit bigger pieces, just because it is like a comb, so you don't have to do the chase method, and it's pretty much easier to use. So I've been seeing the Tymo everywhere, like for a year on YouTube, and every time I saw it, honestly, I was like, I really don't think that is a good flat iron. But also, a lot of times people are using it without prepping their hair, and me personally, I would never like go in with heat without prepping my hair first, because it would kind of just be a waste to me. So I was like, let me see what I can do and see if I can make this work. So my flat iron goes up to 450. This one goes up to 410, so obviously it's not as much heat. And it's also not like a clamp, so your hair is not being like pressed under 2 things. So I did find that because it's a brush, since my hair didn't have a lot of product in it, I think it made a lot of friction, if that makes sense. But it got my hair really straight. It just created friction, which made it look a little bigger. I did do some pieces with my flat iron, and I think it was something like the humidity or maybe even the shampoo I used. I don't know, but it frizzed up really fast. But overall, I really like this iron. I think that if you're not a pro at straightening and you can't afford like a flat iron over $100, this one's a good alternative because it is only $50 and it does get really, really hot. Y'all see the glove came off because I was not liking how it was feeling on my hair. So just be really careful. Also, another thing, it didn't really get my ends well. It straightened them, but it didn't bump them. Like I was trying to get it to create like a little bump, and it was hard to do that. Y'all, I also tried to do the saran wrap method, which is where you wrap your hair after you straighten it, and then you put saran wrap on it, blow dry it with cool air, and it's supposed to like give your hair a more silky effect. But I tried, I couldn't do it. It was like a struggle mess, so I didn't put it in the video. But I'll keep trying, and when I master it, I'll let y'all know if it makes a difference or not. This was how it was looking after I finished, like right after. And y'all, I have so much breakage at the top, it's really ridiculous. The top of my head is my problem area, and I don't know, it's been like that for forever. But I just tried to get them to lay down with hairspray and it didn't really work. So, but yeah, this is how it's looking, all cute and bouncy. And now I'm going in and smoothing down my edges with the with the edge booster. I'll link it down below. And yeah, this is basically how it turned out. If you're new and you haven't seen my other silk press video, I will put a little card at the top of this video so you guys can go check it out. And if you would like to purchase the Tymo or anything that I mentioned in this video, I'll have everything linked in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, enjoy me flipping my hair. So this is how my hair is looking after straightening it the next day. This will probably be the last time I straighten it for however long I have my hair straight, unless I forget to wrap my hair again, which might happen. You never know. If you guys think this flat iron will work for you or not, let me know in the comments. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.